Hassan II Mosque in Casablanca, Morocco. The Hassan II Mosque is a mosque in Casablanca, Morocco. It is the largest mosque in Africa, and the third largest in the world. Its minaret is the world's second tallest minaret at 210 meters. Completed in 1993, it was designed by Michel Pinseau and built by Bouygues. The minaret is 60 stories high, topped by a laser, the light from which is directed towards Mecca. The mosque stands on a promontory looking out to the Atlantic Ocean. Worshippers can pray over the sea, but there is no glass floor looking into the sea. The walls are of handcrafted marble and the roof is retractable. A maximum of 105,000 worshippers can gather together for prayer, 25,000 inside the mosque hall and another 80,000 on the mosque's outside ground. The mosque is located at Sidi Mohammed ben Abdallah in Casablanca. The 22-acre complex nestles between the harbour and the El Hank lighthouse. From the nearest train station at Casa-Port it is about a 20-minute walk to the mosque. The 10-lane boulevard with shopping avenues has its terminus at the southern facade of the mosque and extends to the gates of the Palace Oued el Makhazine in the middle of the city. The basilical plan of the mosque justifies this layout of the boulevard. The mosque rises above the Atlantic Ocean. The building is built partially on land and partially over the ocean. This siting was accomplished by creating a platform linking a natural rock outcrop reclaimed from the sea, where a swimming pool had previously been located. 2 large breakwaters were also built, to protect the mosque from the erosive action of the ocean waves, which can be up to 10 meters in height. A temporary pier 800 meters in length had to be erected to protect the foundations of the pillars from the sea during the construction period. Its environmental advantage is that it is free of noise and pollution and receives a fresh breeze from the sea. Apart from the mosque, other structures in the area are a madrasa, Islamic school, hammams, bathhouses, a museum on Moroccan history, conference halls, and a very large library said to be the most comprehensive in the Islamic world. The 41 fountains in the courtyard are all well decorated. The garden around the mosque is well tended and is a popular location for family picnics. The traditionally designed madrasa occupies an area of 4,840 square meters including the basement. 2 stories in height, it is constructed in a semicircular shape, with the budding qibla wall and the mihrab section. The historical context of the mosque began with the death of King Mohammed V in 1961. King Hassan II had requested for the best of the country's artisans to come forward and submit plans for a mausoleum to honor the departed king. It should reflect the fervor and veneration with which this illustrious man was regarded. In 1980, during his birthday celebrations, Hassan II had made his ambitions very clear for creating a single landmark monument in Casablanca by stating, "I wish Casablanca to be endowed with a large, fine building of which it can be proud until the end of time. I want to build this mosque on the water, because God's throne is on the water. Therefore, the faithful who go there to pray, to praise the Creator on firm soil, can contemplate God's sky and ocean." The building was commissioned by King Hassan II to be the most ambitious structure ever built in Morocco. It was designed by the French architect Michel Pinseau, who had lived in Morocco, and was constructed by the civil engineering group Bouygues. The building was commissioned by King Hassan II to be the most ambitious structure ever built in Morocco. It was designed by the French architect Michel Pinseau, who had lived in Morocco, and was constructed by the civil engineering group Bouygues. Work commenced on July 12, 1986, and was conducted over a 7-year period. Construction was scheduled to be completed in 1989, ready for Hassan II's 60th birthday. During the most intense period of construction, 1,400 men worked during the day and another 1,100 during the night. 10,000 artists and craftsmen participated in building and beautifying the mosque. However, the building was not completed on schedule, which delayed inauguration. The formal inauguration was subsequently chosen to be the 11th Rabi' al-Awwal of the year 1414 of the Hijra, corresponding to August 30, 1993, which also marked the eve of the anniversary of Prophet Muhammad's birth. It was dedicated to the sovereign of Morocco. Construction costs, estimated to be about €585 million, were an issue of debate in Morocco, a lower mid-income country. While Hassan wished to build a mosque which would be second in size only to the mosque at Mecca, the government lacked funds for such a grand project. Much of the financing was by public subscription. 12 million people donated to the cause, with a receipt and certificate given to every donor. The smallest contribution was 5 DH. In addition to public donations and those from business establishments and Arab countries, such as Kuwait and Saudi Arabia, Western countries provided construction loans. The prayer hall is surmounted by a mobile roof of 3,400 square meters and 1,100 tons that can move in 5 minutes thanks to a motorized rolling system. When the roof is closed, the prayer hall is illuminated by 50 candlesticks and 8 Venetian sconces from Murano. The largest are 6 meters in diameter, 10 meters high and weigh 1,200 kilograms. The roof covering the installation of 300,000 tiles made especially of cast aluminum by the Bouygues Group led teams by Aldo Carbonaro, project director, and Abdallah Haybubi, site manager, imitating terracotta tiles. Glazed traditional Fez gold 4 times lighter. These tiles brought a 65% weight gain compared to traditional tiles with much higher reliability performance. More than 10,000 square meters of zellage representing more than 80,000 square meters of furniture. The carved and painted plaster was more than 1,500 square meters. The cedar wood cupolas were fixed on 971 ton of stainless steel frames suspended from the reinforced concrete structure. The marble and granite coverings of Moroccan origin represent 50 hectares of surface with an average thickness of 14 centimeters. It took over 7 years and 10,000 craftsmen to construct the Hassan II Mosque, but the result is a modern and massive tribute to the former king of Morocco that beautifully blends traditional Moorish architecture with 20th-century innovation and equipment. Although it is only the 7th largest mosque in the world, Hassan II claims the title of having the largest minaret in the world. Capped with a spotlight that shines east towards Mecca, the minaret is 700 feet tall, towering above the Atlantic Ocean. Almost lighthouse-like in its position, it is also built directly on the Atlantic Ocean on reclaimed land, which was done with intention by the architect to recall a verse of the Quran stating that the throne of Allah was built on water. The final construction took 2,500 men working around the clock. Besides the mosque's intricate beauty and incredible size, it was also built with modern concerns in mind. The mosque can withstand earthquakes and also features a sliding roof and a heated floor. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.